Protect your low-slope roof with a self-adhering roofing system that requires no special tools. Introducing the GAF Liberty SBS Self-Adhering Roofing System. To install this system, you will need the following products: Liberty Self-Adhering Base Ply Sheet, Liberty Self-Adhering Cap Sheet, Liberty Asphalt Primer, and Liberty Flashing Cement. Installation of this system does not require torches, open flames, or hot asphalt, and is made for residential roofs that cover areas such as porches, garages, carports, and sheds with positive drainage. It can also be used on low-slope homes, apartments, or even commercial buildings. The first step is to start with an inspection of the roof and repair or replace any damaged areas. Then verify the roof deck meets the requirements, all which should be compliant with local building codes. Next, prime the deck with an ASTM D41 recommended asphalt primer, such as the Liberty Asphalt Primer, using a roller or brush. After the primer is dry, install the first course of the Liberty Self-Adhering Base Ply Sheet. Begin by cutting the first roll into 1/2 width, starting at the low point of the roof, and roll out the sheet extending past all roof edges 1.5 inches. Peel off the release film on the back of the sheet. Using a weighted roller, firmly press the sheet to avoid wrinkles and trapped air. Next, install full width rolls of base layer with a 6-inch overlap. Repeat the steps as necessary to complete the roof, as needed, overlapping the previous base ply sheet with a minimum of 3 inches. Stagger or offset end laps from adjacent sheets to a minimum of 36 inches. Be sure to cut excess sheets to be flushed with the edge. Next, install Liberty Flashing Cement on top of the base sheet edges prior to installing the sheet metal flashings at roof penetrations and perimeter edges over the Liberty Self-Adhered Base Ply Sheet. Be sure to fasten the edge metal with 2 rows of roofing nails staggered at 4 inches on center, and prime the top of the edge metal. For the final step, roll out a full uncut layer of Liberty Self-Adhering Cap Sheet aligned with the edge metal with the selvage edge at the high side of the roof, and peel off the release film 1/2 at a time. Using a weighted roller, firmly press the sheet to avoid wrinkles and trapped air. Roll out the next course of cap sheet, overlapping the previous course a minimum of 4 inches. Overlap the selvage edge on the previous course, then remove the release film on the edge. If you need additional rolls to span the width of the roof, overlap the ends of adjacent sheets by 6 inches, while offsetting end laps by a minimum of 36 inches. The top outside corner of the selvage edge should be cut at a 45-degree angle, and Liberty Flashing Cement should be applied along the edges of the sheet where the layers meet. Repeat the steps as necessary to complete the roof. GAF Liberty SBS Self-Adhering System is the perfect complement to Timberline and other GAF asphalt shingles, while providing excellent roofing protection and are eligible components for a limited warranty.